it's Sam here, and this is the Royal Kludge S98. It's a 96% wireless mechanical keyboard that has a knob and screen with 4 color options to choose from. In this video, I have the lavender purple color option with the linear Viridian switches. Included in the box is the user manual, a Type-C to C cable with a Type-A adapter, a 2-in-1 switch and keycap puller, a plastic pry tool, 4 extra switches, a hard plastic dust cover, and the keyboard which weighs just under 1.2 kilograms or 2.6 pounds. So the keyboard has a 96% exploded layout with some indicator lights next to the escape key, and the screen and knob located on the top right corner. The knob controls volume and also allows you to navigate the menus in the screen. This includes the connection modes, homepage layout, and RGB lighting effects. The screen displays the date and time, the battery percentage, and other information about the keyboard. It also comes preloaded with a Royal Kludge GIF, which is customizable in the Royal Kludge software. The left side of the keyboard looks like this with the cherry profile keycaps, and there's a magnetic slot for the 2.4 GHz receiver here. The right side just looks like this with the knob, and the keyboard typing angle can be increased with the adjustable feet on the bottom. On the front, there's a Royal Kludge logo on the right, and on the back there's a USB pass-through port, Type-C connection port, power on-off switch, and mode toggle switch located on the top left. On the bottom, there is 4 rubber feet, the 2 height adjustable feet previously mentioned, and a badge in the middle with some product information. Moving on to the keycaps, these are cherry profile double shot ABS with a thickness of around 1.3 mm. The color and legends on them look great, fitting the overall keyboard aesthetic. Besides that, the keyboard also comes with pre-loop linear Viridian switches that have a clacky sound, plate-mounted stabilizers that have been pre-looped as well to reduce the rattle with some dampeners added to the spacebar, a top-mounted steel plate for a stable typing experience, and a 5-pin hot swap south-facing PCB with per-key RGB. With that in mind, the RGB lighting is vibrant with 19 preloaded effects to choose from, and here I'm just cycling through a few of them. As for the customization, it comes with support for the Royal Kludge keyboard software. In this software, you can set different profiles and remap the keys and layers, record and set macros, configure the brightness, speed, and sleep time of the RGB lighting, customize and make your own RGB effects, and last but not least, select and upload GIFs and images from your computer to the screen. Doing this will override the previous GIF or image, and it should look something like this once it's loaded onto the small screen here. Alright, now diving into the teardown. The case is held together with clips, so you'll need a pry tool to get it open. The one provided by Royal Kludge works fine, and you just need to open the clips on all of the 4 sides. With the case open, the top can be lifted, and in the bottom case, there's a piece of sound dampening foam and a thick piece of silicone covering the 3750 mAh battery and daughter board here. As for the mods in between the plate and PCB, you access them by disconnecting the ribbon cable for the screen and removing the 6 screws holding them together. Now the PCB can be slowly taken out, and here are the mods included. There's a piece of PET insulation sheet, an IXPE switch pad, and a Poron plate foam to help the keyboard sound better. Alright, that is everything about the keyboard. Now please enjoy the typing sound test. Okay, here are my final thoughts on the Royal Kludge S98. Overall, as a 96% wireless keyboard, I think it's pretty decent. It's available in 4 unique colors to match your setup and has a knob and screen which is fun to use. Plus, it comes packed full with mods and features you'll actually appreciate. The only downside is the price, as it can be quite expensive in the US market when compared to the Southeast Asian markets. So if you're interested in the Royal Kludge S98, it will be linked in the description for you, and that does it for this video. Thanks to Royal Kludge for the keyboard, and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.